The Bureau of Reclamation borrowed enough money to build the power plant, the dam itself, the All-American Canal, and several dams above and below Hoover Dam. 1987, they paid off that entire debt strictly from the sale of this power. Total cost of the dam itself is about $49 million, right? At that time, it was decided Arizona would get 19% of this power, Nevada 25%, and California 56%. If you look at that first generator in line, folks, you'll see an opening right in the center of it. There's a shaft turning there. That shaft is 38 inches in diameter and 65 feet long. 3 stories below the power plant floor, there is a Francis-type turbine attached to the bottom of that shaft. Water hits that turbine at 60 miles an hour, and it turns the shaft at 180 revolutions per minute. Now, the outer housing of that generator is painted burgundy. That's where the stator is located. There's a rotor turning within that stator that has 40 electromagnets around it. As those electromagnets rotate and they become excited, they produce electrical fields which agitate the electrons in the wire in the stator. Those agitated electrons combine to produce electricity at 16,500 volts. That electricity is then transformed up to 230,000 volts, and that's the voltage in the power lines heading away from Hoover Dam. Now down below us, folks, you'll see 2 empty crates. On the other side of those crates, there's a brown generator line on its side on the floor. Now the reason why those crates are empty, folks, is because there's nothing in them. I just said that to see how many people are wide awake. Now, that generator produces 2.4 megawatts of power. Another one just like it on the Arizona side, and they provide the in-house power, Hoover Dam, and the power plant. Now down below us, you'll see 2 railroad tracks. It took 65 train car loads of parts and 3 years to assemble each generator right here on these floors, right? First commercial generator went into operation October of 1936, and the last one in 1961. From 1939 till 1949, Hoover Dam was the largest power plant in the world. Today it produces about 1% of all the power in the western grid. Now straight ahead, you'll see the American flag hanging from a crane that can lift 300 tons. Another identical crane at the end of the power plant. They do the heavy lifting during maintenance time here at the plant. At this time, if you'll turn around and look at the floor and the symbols on these floors, right? These symbols are a tribute to